I would like you to put down whatever you are doing right now and answer a question for me. Do you have any idea what emojis are? Emojis that are similar to this. But have you used them before in your messages or comment? And did you know that you can make a lot of money every day by working online? It will be an extra $100 to $300 per day. And all you have to do is click on emojis to receive payment like these. An hour, $221 and maybe another $107 sent directly to your account. Here, how much money you can make. Clicking one emoji sticker will earn you $2. Clicking 10 emoji stickers will earn you $20. And clicking 50 emoji stickers will earn you $100. You can do this as many times as you want. You only need one thing to get started, which is your smartphone or computer. And you can do this is for free. I will show you how to register your account and activate your account in just a moment. And I will guide you through a bunch of real world examples. So do it precisely how to do it, and I will show you a lot of bonus tips throughout the video. So how write and earn an extra $400. Before we further go to this video, welcome to my channel Business Boy, where I teach you the most up-to-date making money online tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get back to the video. I would like you to visit the website flaticon.com. This is a website where you may earn money by clicking on emojis. As you can see, the homepage offers free access to over 3 million vector icons, including a large number of emojis. When I go down below, you can see all the icons are available like pictures and images that we can download for free. Right here on this page, I will show you how you can use them to generate a lot of money online in just a moment by simply clicking on the emojis. You can earn money in two different ways. I will show you the first method for right now, and I will teach you the second method at the end of this video. For the first method, I want you to click on the Become a Contributor link at the top of the page, from where you will send to a page on Flaticon where you can become a contributor by simply uploading and sharing emojis and get paid for it. Now, this is basically the three simple steps. Step number 1 is to sign up for a free account, which I will show you how to do in a minute. Step number 2 is to share and upload your best icon packs, including emojis. And step number 3 is our favorite part, which is that we can start getting paid and making money online right now. This is essential how it works. Flaticon is a well-defined and well-known website. Our 12 million monthly visitors and our 7 million registered members making money online and visit this website in search of different emojis, clip arts, icons and photos. As a result, we may generate a lot of traffic and for emojis, and you will be compensated for each view and click. From there, you will be sent to this website where you can create a free account. This website accepts transactions from people all over the world. Simply enter your name, username, email address, password on this page, and then click the register button, from where you will proceed to this page where it states we are almost done. Check your email address and email box to confirm your account and has been activated, and verify that you will issue your license right here. And after you activate your account, you will send to this page. Make sure you read all the terms and conditions before clicking the green button to accept the terms and conditions. As you know, you can see we have completed step number 1, which is reading and agreeing to the terms and conditions. You will be able to move on to step number 2, which is creating a profile, so you can start making money online. For the first thing you may have to do is add your profile image. To do, simply click on the browse icon right here and then scroll down to provide more information. After about yourself, you can enter a public username that you like others to. Simply click on the down arrow in the country section to select the country, from where you can from there the website you can just leave it blank. If you don't have any, choose English language, and you can link up any social media account. You have a professional portfolio and social media. But if you don't have any social media account, just leave it blank and click the next button. Now we are almost ready to start uploading various emojis in order to get a large number of clicks and income. So before you we recommend that you read the creator's handbook. You can click this button to access the platform where you can read more guidelines, acquire more information, and get more instructions on how to make money on this website. You could go ahead and do it, but in this video I will teach you how to do it quickly. For the time being, as you have to click the start uploading button. Finally, that I will take you to our dashboard, which is located within your brand new account. When you click on the dashboard link, you will send to this page where you can locate your username. At the top of the check how many emojis and icon packs you have already uploaded on this page, as well as your daily earning. If you scroll down, as you can see, you can really make money on this website for every click down and views you get. Before we go deeper, I will show you some time to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you love the video thus far and I will find this video interesting, informative, and please like a comment down below. I will be happy to read your comment. And it's time to get back to the work and earn some money. Moving ahead, we are trying to obtain a large number of free emojis, then we publish on our website and earn from it. So right now I want you to return to flaticon.com homepage and go down to the very bottom of the page to this link, which is a pattern generator. From there you make various designs and patterns from various emojis. Right now all you have to do is click on this button that will say try it now. This will lead you to the Flaticon pattern generator software homepage. Once again, this is a complete free service that you can do on your computer or even from your mobile phone. Anywhere in this world, you may proceed to step number 1, which is searching for and locating your preferred icon and emojis right now. Under the icon section, if you like this icon, you can just click on it and it will appear on the dashboard as shown here. You can just drag and drop it, will and whatever you want it as, change its size, rotate it. As you can see, there are a lot of various icons, designs to select from, and one of the favorite thing to do is to go the pack button and look at the different emojis and unique images that you can include in your design. So what I want to right now is to return to emojis and simply click on that, where you can select from a varieties of emojis that you use in your design, from where you can repeat it as shown above. Finally, under this icon in the background, you can choose from a variety of different colors from a public design. For example, if you like a pink design, you can simply click on it and it will appear on your canvas. It's really simple and does not require any technical knowledge or experience. After you finish your editing, you can save it to your phone or computer for free. All you have to do is to click on this button right here and that will download now. Once you have decided on the PNG format, make sure you follow all the instructions in this video. For the power size, I will want you to select the 1000, and for the image size, I would like you to select the 4000 and 2000. Now that you have decided on the format things and size, all you have to do is click on the button right here to download the pattern. You can do this on your phone. Once again, I could just click on to open it up and sign a preview. It has been downloaded successfully downloaded. After that, all I have to do is to upload it and begin earning money. So right now I would like to share another bonus tip with you, which is to click on the search button right here and also click on the random pattern button right here, and this software will automatically help you to generate some random patterns which are usually very pretty and professional. So if you want to next set of random designs, simply click on this button once more and it will automatically display various random patterns. As you can see, some of them are rather attractive. For example, if I think it's really looking I could just save it to my computer or mobile phone. And once you have finished designing your emojis and downloaded them to your phone or computer, I want you to return to Flaticon contributor, log in to your account and click on this button that says my icon. Now once you have clicked on upload, you may drag and drop on the file to the box and it will be uploaded to your website. So as I promised, I'm going to teach you a second extra method for making money online, which is to go to your Fiverr.com. Now that you have arrived at this website, you will be able to search for various online job opportunities. As you can see, you can do graphic designing, writing video, animation, and there are numerous ways to make money online. But in this video, I want you to concentrate on graphic designing. When I click on this button here under the subcategory of art and illustration, I want you to look at this pattern design before it's a whole new category that other people are talking about, and this is your opportunity. We may generate more money online without any competition by simply designing different emojis using emojis. All you have to do is on this link, which will take you to the page about the pattern design, where you can see how other sellers from all over the world are already making money by just designing and generating different emojis. So since there is completely new category with a little competition, we can jump right in by the following my strategy. So if the seller is selling for $25, have a look on the second seller who is selling for $25 to $30. There are a lot of people charging different prices in these categories. So let's say we click on the seller right here and it takes up to this page. As you can see, she is charging another from $50 to $35 for a service that involves making various different patterns. And look at this example of what we can do. Achieve with the free Flaticon software by producing different patterns and make money in the simple way over. And guess what, she received 377 reviews from the various buyers. So have a look on the seller, our 377 task, and that has already sold out. And notice how for each product is roughly $20, and she has already earned about $7,000 on Fiverr. And what she does by just producing different patterns, as you can see, is something you can do yourself by Flaticon free software. This is actually very simple, by simple placing the icon and altering the background color. And as you can see, there are a lot of individuals taking use right now. By clicking on the link at the top, you may start generating money in Fiverr and become a seller. As you can see, become a seller, you will have to this page, and all you have to do now is to click the button and start filling your email address, personal information, so you can start selling on Fiverr. You can offer similar services to the seller right here, and you can make money online by simply using free software to create emojis and different patterns of different emojis. That if you love similar content like this, a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.